First halibut at San Onofre. It's not a keeper, but it's my first halibut. So there is fish out here. Check that out. Watch, he's gonna flip out right now. Oh no, he's pretty calm. Oh, small one. This is about a pound. It needs to be 22 inches to keep. So let me get this. Let me get this guy off, and we'll try getting another one. Well, it's biting right now. Woohoo! Check that out.